Aquarius, get ready? 2025 is calling you to embrace transformation and step into your true power. This is no ordinary year. With Pluto moving through your sign, profound shifts are on the horizon. It's a cosmic invitation to rediscover yourself, evolve, and claim your destiny. Before we dive into what the stars say about your health, career, finances, and love life, don't forget to show your support by liking this video. Every like is deeply appreciated. And while you're here, why not share your hopes for 2025 in the comments? Let's dream big together. Now, let's explore what's in store for you, Aquarius. This year, your well-being takes center stage. Pluto's influence encourages you to reflect on your habits and emotional health. It's time to release what no longer serves you. March through June will be particularly powerful for making lasting changes. Listen to your body. What does it truly need? Consider grounding practices like yoga, journaling, or meditation to maintain your balance. Then in May, Jupiter enters your health sector, bringing a fresh wave of vitality. You'll feel energized and ready to embrace a healthier, happier routine. But take note, boundaries are key. Avoid overcommitting yourself, and remember, self-care isn't selfish, it's essential. Big moves are ahead for your career, Aquarius. Pluto in your sign and Saturn in Pisces will help you redefine your purpose. From February to July, your ambition will soar. This is your time to take bold, calculated risks. Trust your instincts, they'll lead you toward fulfilling opportunities. Have you been considering a career shift or pursuing further education? The stars say, go for it. April is especially potent for action as Mars amplifies your drive. And don't forget the power of networking this year. Keep an open mind. Unexpected connections could lead to game-changing collaborations. Financially, 2025 brings stability and growth. With Jupiter lighting up your financial sector in the second half of the year, opportunities to increase your income will present themselves. May and June are prime times for launching a business or investing in a promising project. But here's the balance. Saturn in Pisces asks for discipline. Create a solid financial plan, track your spending, and focus on long-term goals. In August, keep an eye out for a surprise windfall or unexpected reward, thanks to Venus aligning in your favor. Love, the stars have something special for you, Aquarius. For those in a relationship, 2025 deepens your connection. Pluto's influence will help you and your partner open up, creating a bond rooted in honesty and vulnerability. Key moments during the eclipses in March and September could bring transformative shifts. Embrace them. Single? Get ready. This is your year for meaningful connections. Venus retrograde in January may bring an old flame or unresolved feelings back into focus. Use this time to heal and gain clarity. By summer, the energy shifts dramatically. You'll attract people who align with your values, those who truly get you. Aquarius, 2025 is your year to shine. Transformation, growth, and abundance await in every corner of your life. Embrace the changes, trust yourself, and watch as the universe aligns in your favor. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more insights and exclusive content designed just for you. Let's make 2025 unforgettable.